Hey there! Welcome to today's video. We're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have encountered while working on our computers. The problem we're addressing today is the challenge of preventing unauthorized users from accessing sensitive data on our laptops or desktops. Whether it's personal information, work documents, or even just some embarrassing photos, keeping our data safe and secure is always a top priority. So, let's dive into this problem and explore a solution that can help us protect our valuable information. Now, let's talk about the solution to this data security problem. One effective way to keep unwanted users at bay is by using encryption. Encryption is a process that converts your data into a code, making it unreadable to anyone who doesn't have a decryption key. By encrypting your files or hard drive, you can ensure that even if someone gains access to your computer, they won't be able to view or steal your sensitive information. This solution provides an extra layer of protection and gives you peace of mind knowing that your data is safe from prying eyes. In addition to encryption, another useful solution to safeguard your data is by setting up strong and unique passwords for your accounts. By using complex passwords that include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, you can create a formidable barrier against unauthorized access. It's also essential to enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, adding an extra layer of security to your accounts. By implementing these simple yet effective solutions, you can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your valuable data. In summary, by leveraging encryption techniques and robust password practices, you can enhance the security of your data and protect it from unauthorized access. Remember, it's crucial to take proactive steps to safeguard your information, especially in today's digital age where data breaches are all too common. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you can now enjoy a more secure computing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up and let us know in a comment how you keep your data safe. Until next time, stay safe and secure online.